it a straight pour? Is it a wiggle pour? Is it a ring pour? What about all three? Yes, this is Garrett Brown Art Studios. Welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, come on in. We have a lot of fun. Today, we are doing several types of ring pours. If you ask me, they're very similar, but they have some distinctive differences. So we're going to jump right in and get started. All right, here are my colors for today's pour. I'm using a variety of brands and colors today. These are Dick Blick brand. This is Pebeo. This is Amsterdam. This is Premier. And this is Creative Inspirations. This is Satin White Enamels by Deco Art. And then this is Amsterdam. So I've tried to get all the consistencies about the same. So no recipe is really the same, but I'm going to show you the consistency. So it creates a mound on a mound, but it's very easy off the stick. All right, for this first cup, I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm going to do some big layers and just a couple of the colors. If you didn't know, which is mostly everybody, I have started Garrett Brown Art Studio on Facebook, and I would love for you to join my page. The link is in the description below, and I'm going to be doing some Facebook exclusive content there. So stop on by and like the page. Now we're going to lay our base paint, and we want to make sure it covers the canvas well. And I'm going to attempt to do a different style pour, ring pour on each cup. So this is going to be a straight pour, hopefully. So that was a straight pour, but it kind of ended up being a jiggle pour, partly because I need to be using a cup that has more of a tip to it so that it flows in more of a stream. But you live and you learn. All right, so this is the next cup. All right, so I've done my best to make a little tip here, so let's see how this goes. I'm going to try and do a true tree ring pour. That is gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. All right, this time I'm gonna try doing like a spiral pour. Whoa, I'm gonna have to try that again. But we ran out of space, so I had to stop a little early. So we're gonna tilt this thing before we lose too much of that, because that is freaking amazing. Look at that, y'all. Gorgeous. I love it. Oh, I wish I hadn't lost that portion over there. And here, of course, is the first ring. And here is the final result. I am blown away by the large rings and how this ended up being a jiggle pour. I'm definitely going to try another spiral. I've got to work on how to keep my spirals from getting too large. I would have liked if these had stayed smaller, but nonetheless, it looks really, really good. Now, I don't like to torch ring pours because it brings more of the bubbles to the surface, whereas some of them will pop on their own and create less of an eyesore than if you were to torch it or use a heat gun. And folks, here we have our dry results. As you can see, some of our bubbles did pop, but the definition really stayed the same. So thrilled with how this turned out and how the color stayed so vibrant. Really, really pleased. Still got some practicing to do, but check out those straight lines. And the definition. Thank you guys for tuning in with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video and the dry results. As always, family, remember, do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Until the next time, have an amazing, productive day. Peace.